Welcome to Serenity Sprout, your sanctuary for peace and tranquility. In a world where stress is all too common, finding relief is crucial for our overall well-being. Guided visualization, an effective tool for stress relief, allows us to create a serene refuge within our own minds. By mentally visiting peaceful settings, we can quiet the turmoil of everyday life and restore balance. So settle in and take a deep breath. Prepare to embark on a journey to a peaceful oasis within your mind. Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax without interruption. This could be a cozy corner of your room, a soft armchair, or even a sun-dappled spot in your backyard. The key is to ensure it's a place where you feel at ease, a place that invites calm and tranquility. Now, gently ease yourself into your chosen spot. If you're sitting, let your back rest against the support, allowing your spine to align naturally. If you're lying down, let your body sink into the soft surface beneath you, feeling the tension melt away. Close your eyes next. Envelop yourself in the comforting darkness, shutting out the external world and turning your attention inward. As you do this, start taking deep, calming breaths. Inhale, feeling your chest rise as you fill your lungs with fresh air. Exhale, releasing any tension or stress that you might be holding on to. You're doing great. Now that you're comfortable, let's dive into our peaceful scenario. Imagine yourself standing barefoot on a warm, sandy beach. Feel the warmth of the sand as it envelops your feet. The grains are fine and smooth, each one unique, yet together forming a vast expanse of golden beauty. The sand gently massages your feet, grounding you to the earth, allowing you to feel connected to the world around you. Now let your senses awaken to the gentle rhythm of the waves. They ebb and flow, a soothing symphony of nature's music. Each wave that laps against the shore is a reminder of the infinite cycle of life, a dance of energy that never ceases. The sound is calming, hypnotic as it lulls you into a state of deep relaxation. Breathe in deeply and let the salty sea air fill your lungs. It's a familiar scent, one that evokes feelings of freedom and tranquility. It's the smell of the sea, of life in its most primal form, a reminder of our connection to the vast expanse of water that covers our planet. Next, feel the sun on your skin. The warmth is comforting, like a gentle embrace from a loved one. It's a soft heat, not too hot, but just right, like a warm blanket on a cold day. The sun's rays are a source of life, of energy, bathing you in their golden light. Look around, the beach is a paradise of colors. The blue of the sea contrasts beautifully with the golden sand. A few fluffy white clouds dot the sky, adding depth to the panorama. The horizon seems endless, a reminder of the vastness of our world and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Let the beauty of this place seep into your soul. Feel the peace that comes with being one with nature. This is your sanctuary, your place of calm amidst the chaos of life. It's a place where you can let go of your worries, where you can simply be. Take a moment to appreciate the serene beauty of this place. Let it fill your heart with joy and your mind with peace. Remember this feeling, this sense of calm and serenity, and carry it with you as you move forward in your journey. Now transport yourself to a lush green forest filled with life. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a verdant woodland, your feet sinking gently into the soft, mossy ground. The air is cool and moist against your skin, carrying the rich scent of damp earth and fresh foliage. This is a place of serenity, a sanctuary where the rhythm of nature is the only sound. As you venture deeper into the forest, the world outside begins to fade away. The rustling of leaves underfoot becomes your soundtrack, punctuated by the distant trill of a bird and the soft whisper of the wind. The trees rise tall around you, their branches reaching for the sky like the arms of ancient guardians. The sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor and bathing everything in a soft emerald glow. Take a moment to close your eyes and breathe in deeply. Feel the cool, clean air fill your lungs, carrying with it the scent of pine and wildflowers. It's an intoxicating blend that makes you feel more alive, more connected to the world around you. Now open your eyes. You're surrounded by a tapestry of green, from the darkest ferns at your feet to the lightest leaves brushing against the sky. The forest is alive with movement and sound, each creature and plant contributing to the symphony of life that unfolds around you. Feel the cool breeze as it dances over your skin, raising goosebumps and sending shivers of delight down your spine. It's as if the forest itself is reaching out, welcoming you into its embrace. Let yourself be drawn in. Let the peacefulness of the woodland seep into your being. Here, amidst the towering trees and the rustling leaves, you find a tranquility that eludes you elsewhere. This forest, this verdant oasis, is your respite from the outside world. Relish in the tranquil solitude of this verdant oasis. Finally, picture yourself standing atop a majestic mountain overlooking a breathtaking view. The mountain, with its peaks dusted in a delicate layer of snow, stands tall and proud against the backdrop of a clear sky, painted with hues of orange, pink, and purple as the sun begins to set. Feel the crisp, cool air on your skin, a welcome respite from the sweltering heat of the plains below. It's fresh, filled with the scent of pine and wildflowers, and invigorating, a reward for your journey. You can taste its purity, a stark contrast to the smog-filled air of the cities. Now cast your gaze over the sprawling landscape below. The world stretches out in front of you, a tapestry of greens, blues, and browns. Rolling hills give way to serene lakes, their surfaces shimmering like mirrors under the waning sunlight. Far beyond, you can see the faint outlines of villages and towns, their lights twinkling like stars on the earth. Listen to the wind as it whistles past your ears. It carries with it the sounds of the world below, the gentle rustling of leaves, the distant call of a bird, the soft murmur of a river. It's a symphony of nature, a melody that speaks of peace and tranquility. Feel the solid ground beneath your feet, the rough texture of the rocks, a testament to the mountain's age and resilience. It's a reminder of your journey, of the challenges you've overcome to reach this point. With every breath you take, you're filled with a sense of accomplishment. You've climbed this mountain, you've reached the top, and now you can enjoy the rewards of your efforts. It's a feeling of triumph, a feeling of fulfillment. And now take a deep breath. Feel your lungs expand with the pure mountain air. Feel your heart beat in rhythm with the mountain's quiet hum. Let the peacefulness of this place wash over you. Let it seep into your bones. Let it soothe your weary soul. It's a tranquility that's as vast as the view before you, a tranquility that's as enduring as the mountain beneath you. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present. As you gradually awaken from this tranquil journey, hold on to the tranquility and peace you've discovered. Let it infuse your day-to-day life, your interactions, your mindset. It's a gentle reminder that you carry a sanctuary within you, one that you can revisit anytime you need a respite from the world's chaos. Thank you for joining us today at Serenity Sprout. Remember, peace is a journey, not a destination. Until next time, stay serene.